Wow, what a month. I can't believe that I only got 20 hits to my website last month. What are people doing? Sleeping? No, they aren't sleeping, they just go to the first website they find on the search engine for whatever keywords they use, and your website is on what? Page 182. Well, I can't help it. I've tried everything I know to do to rank higher in the search engines, but gosh, nothing I do seems to work. Any suggestions? Well, yes, I do have a suggestion. Have you talked to the folks at Linz Enterprises and Advertising Solutions? Who? Well, I guess that's big no. Well, they specialize in helping people advertise their business effectively, so they don't need to worry about just getting 20 hits to their website. How do I get in touch with these folks? Just visit their website at www.linzenterprises.com and send them a message letting them know what you need. They'll get in touch with you and give you ideas to pursue. Are they expensive? Again, 20 visitors in a month to ... I'm hurting here. Well, of course advertising costs money, but I will say this. They are less expensive than many other companies that offer similar services. Just go, will ya? Go check them out.